So today's video is going to be a kind of a small Dollar Tree haul. I'm pretty disappointed in my Dollar Trees around in my area. Most of them that I've gone to, they look like a complete disaster. Like a tornado has ripped through it. I mean, they are a mess. And also they don't have anything on the shelves. Like there's so many shelves that are empty. I really don't know what's going on. Also, they have like, I don't know, it's just like a mismatch of everything. They have school supplies and fall decor and a little, well, one of the Dollar Trees I went to had a little bit of Halloween decor on one little end cap. And that was all that they had. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I did get. I think it was my last Dollar Tree haul where I hauled all the storage containers. I hauled one of these. And I liked it so much, I decided I was going to go back and get a few more. So I did go back and I got 5 of them. Now, this is what it looks like with the lid and everything on it. I got the clear. They do have some that are different colors. One thing, they do come with a lid, but I've noticed they're not putting the lids, at least in my Dollar Tree, they didn't put the lids right next to the container. So when I went in there to find these, the container was on way down on the other end of the shelf, and then the lids were way down on the opposite end. So I had to search until I finally found them. But anyway, I really like these. They hold quite a bit, so I just thought I'd go ahead and go back and get me a few more. I really do like them. Let's see here. The next thing that I picked up is another one of these bouquets of flowers. They are by Floral Garden, and these are the sunflowers. And I just went ahead and grabbed another bunch of the orange. I already have some orange, but I wanted another bouquet of it, and so I just went ahead and grabbed another one. The next thing that I found is by Crafter Square, and it's the felt roll. It's 11.75 inches by 48 inches, and I got it in the color white. They did have several different colors to choose from, but I just grabbed the white because I figured white goes with anything. But I got this mainly because I'm making a new kind of wreath that I've not ever made before, and I was thinking about covering the back of it. So, and I normally don't cover the backs of my wreaths with anything, so I don't know. I thought I'd just give it a try and see if I liked it. So I went ahead and just grabbed one roll of the white felt. The next thing that I picked up are these removable hooks. Now these are sort of like a knockoff of the command hooks. I've never used these before. I have used some other different kind of hooks that were, I think Tool Bench made them, but I didn't really care for those very well. But I'm hoping that these, I'm a little bit nervous because it does say they're removable, but I'm still nervous that they might peel off my drywall paper. I don't know. If you guys have used these and you like them, let me know down in the comments. But I went ahead and grabbed this one. There's 4 in here, and it holds up to 1 pound. And then the other one I got, there's 3 in here, and it says it holds up to 2 pounds. So I don't know. I got these because I'm going to put them in my craft room. I have some wreath forms that I've not made into wreaths yet, and I really don't have any place for them. They're kind of in a reusable shopping bag, just sitting in there. So I'd like to get them up off the floor. So I thought I'd try these and see how they worked. The next thing that I picked up is this light bulb by Sunbeam, and there's one in here. It's clear. It's 40 watts. Not real exciting, but I've never purchased one of these from the Dollar Tree before. And in my bathroom, over my mirror, the little vanity light, there's one of the bulbs is burned out. So instead of going and buying a whole entire package when I just need one, I thought I'd grab one from the Dollar Tree and see how I liked it, see if it worked. The next thing that I picked up is by eCircuit, and it's the phone stand. Now, I've never used a phone stand from the Dollar Tree, but I thought I'd give this one a try. This one is in the color black. Now, they did have several different colors to choose from, but I just grabbed the black one. And it shows on the back how, I guess, how it's supposed to look, how you assemble it. It just turns into like a triangle and you prop your phone up on there. But anyway, I thought I'd try this just to see if I liked it. The next thing that I found is the super bright desk lamp, 100 lumens. It's LED. It says it's great for home or office, flexible, foldable, portable. 3 AA batteries required, and they're not included. But my Dollar Trees never get little things like this in, like desk lamps. And I have seen other people haul the desk lamps. I don't know. I was pretty excited to see it. I'm hoping that it works well. I wanted to put this in my craft room on my craft table because where my craft table is, there's not a whole light where it's at, and it's kind of hard to see. So I thought I'd try one of these little desk lamps to see, I don't know, maybe it'll work. The next things that I found, I thought these were so cute. They are these little ladybugs, and aren't those just the cutest things? The brand is Design It Simple Style, and this brand is sold at Walmart, so I'm sure it was more than $1 at Walmart. But these were so cute. I got these for making a wreath, and they're calling them ladybug picks. I don't know, they're not really a pick, but they do have these wires on the back. So, I mean, it makes it easy to wire to a wreath. They're showing it as being in a little bouquet of flowers there. But anyway, I thought these were so cute. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of those. The next thing that I found, this thing is so cute. I don't know why I need it. I don't. But it was so stinking cute, so I had to get it. But look at it. Oh, isn't it cute? It's got little eyelashes and pink lipstick. I think it's so cute. I really don't know what I need it for, but I thought it was cute. So it's just a little cup. And it's probably, I don't know, maybe 3 inches, 3.5 inches. But it's really cute. I mean, you could put makeup brushes in there if you wanted. I don't know. Anyway, I couldn't pass her up. She was so cute. I had to get her. Okay, the next thing that I got is one of these witch hat forms. Let me turn it this way. This thing is ginormous. They did have these last year, and I did purchase a couple of them last year. This year, I just grabbed the one. But these things are big, let me tell you. I mean, look how big it is. I can't even get it all in the frame. Whoa. It's really big. But last year with mine, what I done was I made it to look like, I didn't make it into a witch's hat, but that, I mean, that is what it is. It says witch's hat. But I made mine to look like the bottom half of a witch, like her dress, and then, or her skirt or whatever. And then I have little witch's legs, the ones that you get at the Dollar Tree, the little, I think they're a little door hanger type thing. But anyway, I used one of those to put on it so it looked like the bottom part of a witch, which was really cute. But these are huge. So, I mean, you could do it, you know, like a witch's hat this way. Or, I mean, I suppose you could probably try to do a cornucopia. The only thing is this thing is really big. So I'm not sure if it would fit on a door very well. But I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed one of these because I thought it was really cool and I needed another one. The next things that I found is also the wreath forms. And they did have these, I believe they started selling these last year or maybe the year before. But they are the pumpkin wreath forms. Now, these things are awesome. The day I got these, the girl was just setting them out, so I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. Because if you don't get these when you see them, they won't have them. They sell out so fast. So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. But be careful whenever you're picking them out, because I didn't notice this until I got to the cash register, which is really not that big of a deal. But this one, I don't know if you guys can see, right here where it's kind of broke in the middle. Technically that's supposed to be, you know, welded together, but it did break. And the cashier, she told me I could go back and get another one, but it really isn't that big of a deal because by the time you get everything on here, you're not going to notice it anyway. And it really doesn't affect the wreath form anyway, so it's really not that big of a deal. But I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these. I was thinking about maybe taking 2 of them and putting them together, which I'm sure you all have seen this before, where they've taken 2 of these together and put like a floral arrangement or something up here on top, and maybe, you know, made a base or whatever so that it can sit, make it like a centerpiece for a table or something, which that's what I thought I might do. Maybe put, I don't know, a styrofoam in here from the Dollar Tree and put a floral arrangement in it, or maybe put a block of wood or something in here, so a candle, like an LED candle, can sit in the center. I'm not really sure. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do. I've also noticed some people have been doing like sweaters on here, where they take a sweater and kind of, I don't know, wrap it around the frame to make it look more like a, you know, a fuzzy sweater pumpkin, which is really cool. So I don't know, I might do that too. But I went ahead and just grabbed 4 of these. I don't know what I'm going to make with them just yet. Now the next wreath form that I found, I don't know. I don't know why I got it really, because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But it's really cool. It's by Floral Garden, and it is a football wreath form. I've never seen such a thing. I mean, and I'm not a football person. I don't watch sports. But this thing was really cool. I've never seen a football wreath form before. It's really neat. And they're showing on the little sticker on the tag there how they did it, which is really cool. But I don't know. I'm going to have to go on Pinterest or something and see if I can find how maybe someone else has made this. I don't know. I think it's really cool though. I probably should have got more than one, but I didn't. I only got one. I'm sure when I go back they won't have any more. But anyway, I thought this was really cool. The next, or the last couple things that I found are Halloween. And like I said, the decor that was there at this Dollar Tree was just one little tiny end cap, and all they had was what I'm about to show you, and some of those creepy kind of roses, you know, the black ones with the eyeball in the center, and then they had some red ones, and they had another set of black ones that had like these glitter skeleton heads, which were really cool, but I didn't need any of those. So anyway, I picked up some of these, and they are calling them branches. So they did have them in different colors. I grabbed a black one, and then I grabbed this red one, which this red one is really cool. So they did have orange, and I believe purple was the other one. So I just grabbed one black and one red. And then the last 2 things that I got are these metal decor words. They say haunted, spooky, and beware. Now, I don't know if they're going to have any that have any other words, but because I looked at the ones that they had, and this was all that they had, was haunted, spooky, and beware. I grabbed 2 of them. So I don't know, maybe they'll get some more with different words or something, but I thought these were really cool. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of those. But anyway, yeah, that is all of my haul, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I would appreciate it so much. I hope that you guys are having a good week. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!